All right, so
now we are in the biggest landfill or rubbish trash.
this is how the people work.
Kira-kira di sini
As you see,
banyak ya?
a lot of people.
So we just wonder where the rubbish go at the end. So all the rubbish coming from Denpasar, Sanur, Gianyar, Tabanan. And yeah, let's see how it is the place. We will go to the TPA Suwung, follow this truck. Actually, I think that this truck is the part of the waste management system. This is like a mountain of rubbish. I never been to this place before. So yeah, let's see how it is here. And then let's see how the people.
Well, this is the rubbish skip yard, so like this. So we are heading now to the area where some people working and segregating rubbish. You wanna share the food with them also. This is just the beginning of the skip yard. And here
Oh my god, the smell so bad.
huge mountain.
So I was talking to them that I'm thinking to share food with them, and then I asked, do you wanna accept that and everything? Yeah, please just come here. And then yeah, you see quite many people, and they said it's quite many people are here working.
I
So,
could say
yeah.
a lot.
This is how it is.
So this is how the people work.
Kira-kira di sini
As you see,
banyak ya?
a lot of people.
Okay.
And the birds, and this is all is rubbish. All of it.
Oh yeah.
The smell maybe is not the best, but imagine the people working here every single day. So that's how it is like. I wanna try to show you because this is something really interesting in my opinion.
Alright, so we decided to buy nasi bungkus for them. And then this is how they preparing nasi bungkus. And then, yeah. With the dish. Riki, bagi-bagi sareng semeton nggih. Nggih. Nabi. Oh, nggih. Nggih, Kang ya. Nggih, suksema ngiring. Yang bagi-bagi sareng semeton Rika. Nggih, suksema Pak, ngiring. Nggih, ngiring. Kita berbagi, Pak. Ngiring. So yeah, this is the office of the rubbish, and then they are the officers. So I just share the food with them first, and then we will go to the scavengers there.
By the way, this guy have a huge flag of Indonesia because Independence Day is coming soon, and we're gonna go there. This is the huge mountain where so many people are around.
Alright. Oke, nggih niki Bu. Ya. Yeah.
So we are sharing some food.
Yeah.
Everybody there. Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
Truck drivers,
Berdua.
people who work here, no matter.
Nggih.
Oh,
Ya,
yo,
nggih.
what's up?
Ya. Ya, nggih.
Yeah, no
Ya.
problem.
Nggih, silahkan Pak. Ya. Ya. Nggih, silahkan diambil Pak. Memerlukan nggih.
Yeah,
Ngiring Pak.
no problem.
Ya.
So as you see, so many people. He already got?
Already.
Sayang, this lady.
Oh ya. Ya.
The truck driver?
Ya. Dah?
Give me one, I will give to the truck driver.
Ya. Ya.
The door closed.
Aneh.
Here you go, my friend.
Alon-alon Pak, jalan. Nggih. Yeah.
So many people. They got
Yeah.
lunch break. Yeah, thank you, take care.
Habis, Pak.
Habis.
Habis.
Sorry.
Yeah.
All is finished already, unfortunately.
Let's see that there. And
So many things.
well, just it's run out in a very quick time because there are so many people in the rubbish area here.
It's so many actually.
Yeah. Okay, so this is how it is. How they're collecting the rubbish and the smell. Oh my God. Nggih, Bu, silahkan makan.
Oh, the lady already
Ya,
fed.
Ibu, silakan makan.
Unfortunately, sorry, yes, we didn't have to everyone, but
Ya, si straightforward it.
yeah.
Habis, Pak.
Habis, sorry, Pak.
Nanti kita bawa lagi lebih banyak ya, Pak ya. Iya, nanti kita bawa lebih banyak ya.
As you see, so many people. It's quite busy here. On
Nanti
the
kita bawa lebih
skipyard.
banyak lagi ya.
It's actually much more
Udah
people here.
habis.
There's actually much more people here than we was expecting. Definitely much more. We are gonna show you. This is the top of the mountain here, the Skipyard mountain. So many birds also around. Wow, this is actually definitely much more busier than I was thinking. Over there, as you see, there's so many trucks and so many rubbish everywhere. Over there is the toll road, and there is the harbor, and there is the airport. So many people, trucks. Have to be careful, but yeah, we get permission, official permission to be here and record what's going on here. This is actually, well, and it's so many people walking around actually. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough food for everyone, and the food was just gone very quickly. As here is like more than 200 people. But yeah, if you ever wonder, coming from this road, from the airport, what is the mountain facing like Sanur area? So this is the mountain, and actually I'm standing on the top of the mountain right now. And this is the mountain of Rubbish Mountain. This is so high, and there's so many rubbish here. This rubbish coming from all Denpasar, Sanur, Badung, Regency, Tabanan and Ganyar. So it's a lot. And now I think it's more quiet because it's no tourism, and so hotels and restaurants are not producing the much rubbish as before. However, it's still very busy, and still so many people working here. As unbelievable.
All right, so I would like to say thank you to some people from Jakarta who donate some money, and then we just paid forward, and then yeah, we share it to the different places. Like few months ago, we were also in the Kampung Pemulung, and now we went to the biggest rubbish area. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for those who always support us with love, endless love and support. So this is how we just show you how we paid forward. So right behind me, this is Serangan area. Serangan area is just like next door to the rubbish area. Yeah.
All right, so I hope so you enjoyed today's video. Something different, something fresh today. And yeah, that's how the people work.
Yeah, this is how the people work in the rubbish area. If we wonder like where all the rubbish in Bali goes, especially in the South Bali area, Badung, Denpasar, and also Tabanan, Gianyar, Ubud. So all the rubbish go to in the one spot. So maybe you were thinking that how big is the area? The area is actually around 40 hectares with the 15 meters up. 15, 20 is just like a mountain of rubbish.
Yeah, it's quite a big area of, yeah. And
so yeah, we just show you how it is. I know that maybe some people will don't like it and saying that, oh, you just show the bad image of Bali. So we are just showing you how the real life is. So even you like it or dislike it, this is how it is.
all right, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog.
Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Bye.